Viggle AI versus Sora. Which AI video tool wins? Choosing the right AI video platform can transform your content creation without wasting time or resources. We'll explore Viggle AI and Sora to help you decide which fits your needs best. Viggle AI and Sora are both powerful AI video tools designed to enhance video production. The core difference lies in Viggle AI's focus on automated video generation versus Sora's strength in customizable AI-driven content creation and model flexibility. Viggle AI is an AI-powered video generation platform that automates the creation of dynamic video content. It uses advanced AI models to analyze input data and generate high-quality videos quickly, ideal for marketers and content creators who need fast turnaround. Viggle AI excels in producing engaging visuals with minimal manual input, saving time on editing and scripting. Its strengths include ease of use, speed, and integration with various content sources. However, Viggle AI offers less customization in video style and narrative control, which might limit users seeking highly tailored outputs. It is best suited for users who prioritize efficiency and volume in video production, such as social media managers and advertisers aiming for rapid content deployment without complex editing tasks. Sora is an AI video tool focused on flexibility and customization, allowing users to build personalized video content using AI models tailored to specific needs. It supports a wide range of creative inputs and provides control over video elements, making it ideal for professionals who require precision and creativity. Sora's strengths include its customizable AI models, adaptability across industries, and ability to fine-tune outputs to match brand identity or storytelling goals. While it offers powerful features for detailed video creation, it may require a steeper learning curve and more time investment compared to automated platforms. Sora fits best with users who value creative control and are willing to invest effort into crafting unique video experiences, such as filmmakers, educators, and brand strategists. Comparing Viggle AI and Sora highlights a trade-off between speed and customization. Viggle AI is perfect for quick automated video production where efficiency is key, such as social media campaigns or rapid content updates. On the other hand, Sora excels when creative control and tailored storytelling are priorities, supporting complex projects that demand precision. If you need to produce large volumes of content fast, Viggle AI delivers consistent results with minimal input. But if your project requires unique visual styles or detailed narrative adjustments, Sora's flexibility offers a better fit. Both tools serve different user demands, making the choice dependent on whether speed or customization takes precedence in your video workflow. Choose Viggle AI for fast, automated video creation that streamlines content production without sacrificing quality, especially when time and volume matter most. Opt for Sora if you need customizable AI video solutions that allow creative freedom and fine control over every element. It's the ideal choice for professionals focused on unique, polished videos tailored to specific branding or storytelling needs.